Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Johnson County in north-central Texas, southeastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, northwestern Ellis County in north-central Texas, southwestern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cedar Hill, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Lancaster, Waubonsee, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Alvarado, Ovilla, Venus, Oak Leaf, Mayfield, and Cedar Hill State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 399 and 416. Interstate 20 between mile markers 454 and 465. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
We interrupt regular programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Central Texas Emergency Alert System. A severe thunderstorm warning until 6:30 for Dallas, Johnson, Tarrant, and Ellis counties. This storm system includes wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour and small hail. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Dallas, Tarrant, Johnson, and Ellis counties until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. All North Central Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to rebroadcast the preceding announcement.